Hey guys, it's us, the Pump Shotgun Bros, and today we are going to be going over airsoft gun safety, airsoft gun tips, and just how to have fun with them. That's our target right over there, if you can see it. And
there's two targets.
We're going to be doing that today. There's two of them. We're going to show you our loadout of guns, and then we'll get started. Okay, let's go. Woo!
Hey guys, we're going to show you our loadout. So first, we got a nice SCAR, 400 FPS. Pretty cool.
Next we have a Uzi. This one's 400 FPS. Good gun. They both have, we've sighted them in.
Now we have a shotgun, 390 FPS. Aims pretty good.
And then we also have another shotgun, 390 FPS. It's good. It has adjustable stock and stuff. So.
This is our pistol. It's a 400 FPS pistol. This is just like the bigger guns, so you can fill it up. So it's a really nice, big, powerful pistol.
And this is another pistol, 360 FPS. Aims pretty good, and yeah.
And then we got this little black pistol. It's 180. It's really good. It's really accurate too.
And then we got this super mini pistol. Yeah, it's really small. It says it's about 140, but you can hit from like any range with this. But still be careful, these not toys. Fun to play with.
Hey guys, so today, the next clip, we're gonna tell you about safety rules. So the most important one is always wear eye protection,
guys.
Dude, like you can get serious damage. You can go blind with not wearing eye protection. So just put that stuff on. Oh yeah, that's nice. So.
Okay. The second rule is, always wear protection. This is not a toy. Have fun with it, but just, it's not a toy. Have fun.
Never shoot anybody without eye protection, face protection, all those, because they can get seriously injured, and you just gotta have fun.
Okay, let's go have some fun, guys.
Yes! Okay, guys. So at the small target, we're gonna be shooting 2 shots, and then at the big target, we're gonna be shooting 3 shots. So, and also shout out to Daniel for helping us make this video, and we're also gonna film a couple of shots in slow-mo, so let's do this.
watching. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, go have yourself some fun with airsoft guns. Woo!
See ya!
Woo!
Okay, guys, comment down below if you need any help or pointers on Airsoft or Nerf. And yeah.
Thanks for watching.